So you want to know how to use VS Code to write C# programs? Well, if this is the first time you've used it, what we need to do is create a folder by going File, Open Folder. And we need a folder for each project. So you can see here I've got some previous folders here with previous projects. So I'm just going to create new folder. I'm going to call this VS Code Intro. And then go Select Folder. Now you may have a start screen pop up. I've actually got rid of that by unchecking a checkbox towards the bottom of the screen. Either way, whether that's there or not, we want to go up to the Terminal menu and choose New Terminal. Now what we want to do is create the files that VS Code needs. One of them is going to be the code file that we, the programmer, work with, and all the other files is what VS Code uses. So I've already got this in here in the memory. So what you want to do is type .NET new console -- framework net 6.0. This is assuming, of course, that you have downloaded and installed the .NET 6.0 SDK. When we press enter, give it a moment, and you'll see over here in the Explorer panel we've got some files. The one we're interested in is program.cs. We want to keep all these other files. The compiler needs them, so don't muck around with them. Eventually you're going to be asked required assets to build and debug are missing. Do you want to add them? Just go yes. To run our code, down here in the terminal, we type .NET run and press enter. Give it a moment. It's usually a bit slower the first time we run it. And there the console.write line has output hello world, just as line 2 tells the processor. If I want to get rid of this junk that's in the terminal window here, I can just type clear and it just tidies things up a bit. Now you'll notice I wasn't typing a lot then because those 3 commands are already in my memory for VS Code. So clear, .NET run executes our program, and we've got to type this longer line for each new project that we create. I'm just navigating through them up and down using the up and down arrow keys.